Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by protecting your data. Back up to Google or Samsung Cloud and export photos. Once done, make sure battery is above 50% and Wi-Fi is connected so your accounts sync. Next, confirm you know the lock PIN or password because the process requires it. This prevents being locked out. Then open Settings, navigate to General Management, and tap Reset. This is the actionable step that initiates the factory reset flow. You'll now execute the reset. Choose Factory Data Reset and read the list of accounts and apps that will be removed so nothing surprises you. Once ready, enter your PIN or password to confirm. This is required for security. Tap Erase Everything and the device will start wiping data, then reboot. Make sure to wait. Do not force power off, because the system rebuilds partitions and can take 10 to 15 minutes depending on model and storage size. After the reset completes, you complete setup by signing into your Google and Samsung accounts and choosing to restore any backups. This returns apps, contacts, and settings. If the phone hangs on the logo during reboot, force a restart by holding power and volume down for about 10 to 15 seconds, then let it boot normally. If you encounter factory reset protection, make sure you sign in with the original Google account credentials or use account recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.